Today we're going to introduce you to some of our best sellers this season. These products are some of our customers' favorites and we think they could be super helpful on your next DIY project. The first product that we have is Crypton Home Fabrics. Crypton is a must-have for your next interior upholstery project. Crypton is soft, supple, gorgeous, and most importantly, equipped to handle day-to-day messes. These fabrics are superior in stain and moisture repellency and odor resistance. Most spills simply roll off the fabric or can be easily blotted away. And with impressive abrasion-resistant ratings, you can feel confident that these fabrics are durable enough to resist wear and tear. All of these high-quality features guarantee a long-lasting fabric investment. No matter your upholstery project, there's a Crypton fabric for you. And our next tool goes hand in hand with Crypton fabrics. Our Sailrite long-nose staple gun is our exclusively designed tool, perfect for the serious upholsterer or the casual DIYer. This tool is specifically engineered to perfectly set the staple without damaging the wood or material. You'll have all the convenience of a pneumatic staple gun without the risk of damaging your project. The long nose of this staple gun is designed to tackle those hard-to-reach 90-degree corners on furniture pieces. With staple guns, you'll also need staples. We sell both stainless steel and galvanized staples. We recommend stainless steel staples for any project that needs extra strength or has the potential to be exposed to any kind of moisture or harsh conditions, especially marine projects. Galvanized staples are more economical and great for indoor upholstery projects. Both kinds of staples work great with our staple gun. Our next best seller is the Chalk Pencil Cartridge set. This fabric marking set is ideal for all your sewing, quilting, and crafting applications. The chalk pen holds the chalk so you can keep your hands clean as you work. The collection comes with 16 chalk refills in 9 colors, so no matter the color of your fabric, you can mark it with ease. The chalk can also be easily removed with some water and a towel. This is a must-have product for any DIYer. Now sewers, this next product is for you. If you're working on sewing any outdoor projects this season, then PremoBond outdoor thread is the right thread choice for you. This thread is high-performance outdoor thread that is ideal for sewing a wide range of applications. With its advanced UV protection that is especially designed for outdoor applications where seam strength and fade prevention are crucial, it is the perfect choice for sail and canvas work. And with a wide range of colors available, you're sure to find a PremoBond thread to match your project. Lastly, we have our Sailrite cutting mats. This double-sided cutting mat is self-healing, which means it'll last longer than other cutting mats on the market. The 5-layer construction makes it great for cutting fabric, leather, and other materials. The cutting mat features separate imperial and metric sides with measurements that include degree guidelines for bias cutting. Our cutting mats come in a variety of sizes to fit your project needs. A product that pairs great with these cutting mats is our soft grip rotary cutter. This rotary cutter features a comfortable handle for comfortable cutting even during long projects. The innovative blade guard system lifts out of the way when cutting and drops back to protect the blade when not in use. This high-quality blade is hardened and lasts longer than other rotary cutters. So no matter your next project, you can find the right cutting tool and cutting surface here at Sailrite. And those are just 5 of our best sellers this season that are perfect for any DIYer. If you're interested in any of these products, we've linked them all in the description below, so make sure to check that out. And if you want to see more Sailrite products in action, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss one of our videos.